I've been thinking about the old days, late 70s, early 80s time. Back when summer had no ending and the whole world felt like mine. We were kids out running barefoot down by rivers, creeks, and lakes, with blue jean shorts and sunburned shoulders, and no thought of growing age. We didn't have much money, but we had more than we knew. A little dirt road freedom, the skies forever blue. Back when summer was forever and the days took their sweet time, when the water was cold and the world was wide and trouble stayed behind. Back when hearts were young and easy and the nights were warm and slow, before life started moving faster than we ever meant to go. I still miss those wild, free days and the way the river shined. Back when summer was forever in that old heart of mine. There were girls we thought were pretty, with laughter in the sun, and time turned them into women before we knew what time had done. There were radios on tailgates, old songs in the air, dusty roads and swimming holes, and nobody seemed to care. We weren't thinking about tomorrow, we were just living that day. And I reckon that's the reason those memories won't fade away. Now the years have made some distance and the mirror tells the truth, but every now and then my heart goes back to that barefoot kind of youth. I can almost hear the water, I can almost feel that sun, and for a little while I'm back there, before the running had to run. When the water was cold and the world was wide and trouble stayed behind. Back when hearts were young and easy and the nights were warm and slow, before life started moving faster than we ever meant to go. I still miss those wild, free days and the way the river shines. Back when summer was forever in that old heart of mine. Yeah, I've been missing the old days and those roads I used to roam, barefoot kids and river water, a long, long way from home. Time may carry us forward, but some memories never die. Back when summer was forever under that southern sky. Yeah. met yet. Rolling somewhere down the line, Lord willing, on the next mile I'll meet you further down the ride.